Greetings from Österskärs Havsbad, this beautiful sandy beach in Österåker municipality, Stockholm region. And it's out on the Baltic Sea. And yes, it is my first time being here on this wonderful beach. And in order to get here, you need to take the Roslagsbanan towards Österskär. And Österskär is the last stop. And from there, it is only 1 kilometer walk along the sea to this beautiful pearl over here, this beautiful sandy beach. And today is 30th of July. And right now it is 21 degrees Celsius. And this is beach day number 97 of the Sweden Beach Adventures this year. So I am changing almost every day different municipalities in the Stockholm region, and Österåker is probably one of the best that has access to the sea. I have been also here 1 week ago on the nudist beach, on the public beach, and really explored it. But this one, I really look forward to explore. So let's then dive in this beautiful sea over here. I was a bit lucky to have some sun on the way here, but now it is cloudy with some thunderstorm coming in, as you can see. So let's make this swim a bit fast in case there is a huge thunderstorm coming in. So the beach is sandy, probably 100 meters long and up to 50 meters wide, and it has some beautiful waves as such. There are also 2 jetties that you can go in the water, and yeah, quite huge. There are some rocks also in the middle of the beach. So yeah, there were some people actually when they came here, around 20 people, but now when they saw that thunderstorm is on the horizon, like you see here, they have went home. But not me, because this is Beach Adventures with Chris, and we are exploring the beaches in all the different weather conditions. So it's beautiful, isn't it? And there were also some surfers at the end there, because the waves here are making a nice waves for them to surf in. Alright. The bottom here is sandy with few stones here and there. And you see the beach is beautiful. It's very beautiful. And yep, beautiful Sunday over here, despite the cloudy weather and the horizon. Look at that, look at that. Thunderstorm is coming in probably half an hour. Oh, we can also see the lightning there. Cool, alright, then let's not wait any longer and dive in this beautiful beach over here called Österskärs Havsbad in Österåker. We are diving in right now! Beautiful entry from the sand, and yeah, what a wonderful day to spend Sunday in Stockholm. It's very beautiful. And look at that, look at that, those clouds are coming right over here. It's gonna be interesting. But yes, that was all from Österskärs Havsbad in Österåker. So hope you enjoyed this episode from this beach, and it's definitely gonna be a lot better if there was sun over here. But yeah, thanks for watching, make sure to subscribe and follow for more Beach Adventures with Chris!